For the circle centered at O, we will draw a tangent from the given point here, and we'll do this in 3 steps. Of course, let's start with the help of a compass and an unmarked ruler. First, I take my compass and place its sharp end on a point on this circle. Then, I open it up to reach the given point and draw a circle. After doing this, the circles intersected at 2 points. I place the compass on this first point and open it up to the other intersection point, then draw another circle. I've drawn my circles. Now look, they intersected at a point like this. Let's mark that point, even right there. Let that point be clearly marked as O. Now I'm going to connect these 2 points with a straight line. I've drawn this line, so this was the 3rd step, of course. In the 3rd step, did I actually draw a tangent to the circle here? Now we need to verify this. So let's move on to the verification. I'll start by drawing the radii of the circles I've drawn. To show that the radii are equal to each other, I'll use the same colors for the same radii. For example, look, here there's a blue radius. This is the radius of the circle here. Now I'm drawing one more to the corner here. Now the line segment here and the line segment there are now equal to each other. Now let's draw the radii of our circle centered at O. I'm going to draw one here. I'm drawing the intersection points. I'm going to draw one here as well. And let's draw one to the center of the other circle. I've drawn these radii as well. Now I'm going to draw the radii of this circle. Let them be green as well. Let's draw one like this. One radius here, and a radius here as well. Now here, these blue line segments have become equal to each other. The radii of the large circle here. The green ones have become equal to each other. They are the radii of this circle. The red ones are the radii of the circle with that center. Now let's move on to our verification. Here, I see 2 congruent triangles. Red, red, green, red, red, green. They have side, side, side congruence. And at the same time, they are isosceles. And if I call this x, then this part will also be x. Since the triangles are congruent, this part will also be x. Now, green, green, blue. Green, green, blue triangles are congruent triangles. If I call the angle facing the blue side here 2x, then I also need to call the angle facing the blue side here 2x. This triangle is also an isosceles triangle. Therefore, to find the sum of the base angles here, I will subtract 2x from 180. I'll divide by 2 so I can find one of them. One of them is 90 minus x. So that's this part here. Now, to find the angle between the red and blue here, I add these 2 together. And so, when I find that this angle is 90 degrees, the radius I drew here must intersect it perpendicularly, the tangent. Therefore, when I find 90 degrees here, it shows that this is a tangent. Compass and straight edge exercises are really enjoyable. They are also the instruments that accompany the birth of geometry. That's why I invite you all to join this wonderful journey. See you soon.